Printify tutorial for beginners. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, open your preferred browser and then search for Printify. This is the one you would be looking for. Now, go to get started for free and then sign in or sign up if you have not already. Simply go to sign up. Now, enter your login credentials, and from here you will see how to use it as well. So, the first step is to select. After choosing your product, create, design, and create your custom t shirts. Now, publish the design and then make money by selling these. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down, and I'll catch you in the next one.